with glow tips, glow chat, glow fun. Knowing to who we belong, we grow in beauty, wiser and strong. Glow up and see who you can be. Glow up.
This year's Olympics for me was a good one. I must say I was so proud of our athletes. I'm so proud of Team Jamaica. I'm so proud of everything that we've accomplished as well. Honestly, I'm not gonna say you guys any lie. You see that 100 meters for women, that clean sweep had me. You see that 4x100 meter women's, that gold medal had me. You see everything that we get had me. I was so proud. I was super proud, especially what really stood out to me was that 110 meter hurdles. I mean, I love that one. I saw when Hazel Parchment came up and got that gold, and I saw Levy come up and get that bronze, and I was like, yes, Jamaica, you know? And I was like, yeah, man, this is us. This is our little country. We look about Talawa, and I realized that we're all around the country. I mean, I was super proud, super proud. We participated in diving. We had judo this year. We had gymnastics. Jamaica, look about with Talawa. I'm not going to tell you guys any lie. The Olympics this year, they turn up bad, and I'm not going to tell any lie again. I am so proud of our country, so proud of our athletes, so proud of everything we accomplished. And I know as time goes on, we'll just be getting bigger and better, because that's what we do always, you know? So Olympics this year, amazing, exceptional, phenomenal, everything fantastic.
Hi Glow Catchers, welcome to the Glow Up, where we empower you to glow up in your everyday life. Subscribe for a new video every week. We're talking about Jamaica and the Olympics. Jamaicans understood the assignment. What was the assignment, you ask? To represent the black, the green, and the gold. And our Olympians did it oh so beautifully. They were amazing. They were awesome. We saw some great performances, and we as a nation, we as a small little island, Talawa, and we're proud, and we are just grateful for everyone who represented, even the ones behind the scenes in the camp who ensured that our athletes and Olympians had everything that they needed. The coaches, the doctors, the chefs, everyone, we salute you, we thank you. We are so proud of you, and you gave us independence and emancipation gifts that will just soar on through history. And I just want to say how proud I am of our Olympians on and off the track, on and off the field. Their interviews, did you see their interviews and how well they represented Jamaica and how they spoke with such intelligence but yet still kept that Jamaican spirit? I absolutely love that, and I salute all our Olympians. So many of them did not medal, but they gained their personal best, and that to me is bold performance. For you to go to your first Olympics and give your personal best, or to go to your third Olympics and do your very best, we are proud of that performance, and it is that spirit of resilience. You see, so many of our athletes were pushing through pain to do their best, and for them to go out and have that spirit, what more as an island could we ask for? They were just awesome. They understood the assignment. They crushed the assignment. They got a full 100 from me and the rest of the island. So to all our Olympians out there, thank you so much for doing what you do. We love you. We salute you. We're proud of you. You have just motivated us as a country, and I hope that Jamaicans watching, and yes, you know, even after the Olympics, I hope we're able to take the motivation to another level so that we can just maintain this beautiful, blessed nation that we have. I hope we will, do our part to advance the welfare of the whole human race, as our pledge says. And just be motivated. Just be motivated by the performance of our athletes, because they did an awesome job. So black, green and gold definitely represented at the Olympics. 9 medals in total, so many personal bests, so many great achievements. We thank you, we salute you. And I just want to remind us go-getters to glow up and see who we can be, because we're athletes. Sure they did. Until next time, wave the flag high. Wherever you come from, represent.